Guys, this is Prince, and in today's video we are going to talk about an amazing projector which will cost you less than a good Bluetooth speaker. So let's get into the video and let me show you what all you'll get with the projector, what's all there in the box, and let's get started. So guys, now let's unbox the projector, and before that let's talk about the box. So as you can see, the box is really nice. The detailing on the box is really good. And on this side of the box, as you can see, the details of all the formats are mentioned. Like it supports all the audio files, picture file, video file, text files, and as you can see, it's an HD projector. So now let's unbox it and let me show you what all you get in the box. So guys, in the box you get the JICSON projector,
and user manual,
a power cable, a HDMI cable, an AV cable, and a smart remote. So guys, now let's talk more about the projector. So as you can see, it's a lightweight and a very portable projector. You can take it with you anywhere you would like to. So you can also take it to your friend's place, and you can plug in your PlayStation in it, Xbox in it, and you can play high quality games with this projector. And the best part is that it displays up to 1080 pixels of picture. And now let's talk more about the projector. Let me tell you what all is there on this projector. It looks small, but there are many features in it, believe me guys. So first of all, let me remove the lens cover, and you guys also please don't forget to remove the lens cover once you buy it. As you can see in the front, you get this 1080 pixels of lens. It's a high quality lens which displays a picture up to 1080 pixels. And on the left hand side, there are some ports. First of all, you get this 3.5mm jack in which you can plug in your earphones, your headphones, as well as you can plug in your home theater or something. With that, you get an AV port in which you can plug in your DVD player and all that stuff. And with that, you get an SD card port. So in the SD card port, you can put a micro SD card, and you can display your pictures, your videos from there. With that, there is a HDMI port. So with the HDMI port, you can plug in your laptop with it. You can plug in your Xbox, your PlayStation, your computers, or even your DTH, and you can replace it with your current television because it will give you a 120 inches of display. Right guys, you heard me right. It displays the picture up to 120 inches, which means that this small projector will give you a huge display to play your games, to watch your content. And with that guys, you'll get a USB port in which you can plug in your USB pen drives, and you can watch your content from there as well. And with that, you get a VGA port in case if your computer doesn't have an HDMI port, then you can plug in your computer directly into it, and you can play your games from your computer on this projector on a bigger screen. I know it's amazing. On the back of the projector, there is an IR. So the remote that you get with the projector will work with this IR. So this is for that. This is the infrared receiver for the remote. So guys, on the top you get the focus ring, the keystone. So the focus ring will help you in focusing your picture, and the keystone will help you in tilting the picture if you would like to. And with that guys, you get an indicating light over here. So this LED light will indicate to you that the projector is on or off. With that, you get a power button, a back button, then some navigation keys, a OK button, a menu button, and a source button. And finally, on the left hand side, you get an AC adapter port. So the wire that you get with this projector, you just need to plug it in the projector to power it on. So guys, now let's power on the projector, and now let me show you the features of the projector, how you can connect your phone with it. So let's power it on, but before that, please remove the lens cover. Now after removing the lens cover, you need to plug in this wire. So you need to plug the wire over here in the AC slot. Now you just need to put it into a power socket and it's ready to use. So it's plug and play, it's very easy to use, and this is one of the best things I liked about the projector. Now the one thing is that I need to elevate the projector so that I can get a better picture quality. So I'm going to use this particular tripod. It's my gimbal's tripod. Right now I'm going to use it as an elevator, so I'll elevate my projector with the help of this. So guys, if you have a big tripod and you want to attach it with the projector, so it's very easy to do. As you can see, there is a screw over here, and you just need to put the tripod over here. You just need to screw it here. So guys, now let me plug in the projector, and let me show you the picture quality and how you can connect your phone with it. So guys, as you can see, I've turned on the projector, and over here there are many features in front of you. There are many functions. First of all, you get the Wi-Fi display. So with that, you can connect your Android and iOS, both the devices. With that, you get an AV feature. So in AV, you can connect your DVD player, your DTH. With that, guys, you get an HDMI port. You can connect your PlayStation, your DTH. With that, guys, you get the media player option. In the media player option, you can connect your memory card and your pen drive. So both the things will show over here. And then, guys, there's an VGA feature, so you can connect your computer with it and you can play all your games from your computer on a bigger screen. So guys, now let's connect the phone with it. So guys, I am using an Android device, and as I've told you, you can use Android and iOS both with this projector. So to connect your phone with it, you need to click on the Wi-Fi display option. And right now, as you can see on the top left hand side, it says Miracast. When it will display Miracast, then you can connect your Android phone with it. But if you want to connect your iOS device with it, for that, you need to go back into the menu and then you need to open any of the option, any other option. You can open AV. So you just need to open it and then go back and then again go to the Wi-Fi display. Now, as you can see on the top left hand side, it says iOS compatible. So now you can connect your iOS device with it. So as I've told you, I'm using an Android device. So I'll go back and do the process once again so that I'll get the Miracast option over here. Alright guys. So guys, to connect your Android device with the projector, it's very easy. You just need to go to the cast option of your phone, and from there you just need to search for this projector, and on your phone you'll get the option of Lollipop 337820. So as soon as you get this on your phone, you just need to click on it and then it will start getting connected, and over there on the projector you will see connection in progress. So it will take few seconds and it will get connected. So once it will get connected, now you can open all the phone content of yours on the big screen. So for example, I'll open YouTube over here and go and search Hypetribe. So over there you can see a red subscribe button. I'm clicking on that. You can also click it right now and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications as soon as we post a video. So I hope you have done that. So now guys, I'll play a video on my phone, and guys, you can see the video in the full screen mode of your phone, and the same thing will display on the projector itself. So guys, the best part about this projector is that there is no video lag, and there is one more very exciting feature in the projector. There are also inbuilt speaker in the projector. Now that I'll demonstrate in a different way. So for that, what I'll do is I'll open a game. I know you all love to play this game on your phones. So guys, now as you can see, I'm playing PUBG on my phone, and whatsoever I'm doing on my phone is happening on the projector also, and I can see all my enemies who are in front of me clearly. So you can easily spot your enemies while playing PUBG on the projector. On a bigger screen, you will always get advantage. So there's also one more feature about this projector. As I was talking about, there are inbuilt speaker in the projector itself. So guys, you can hear all the gunshots and the footsteps clearly while you're playing PUBG on your projector. So guys, I like this feature very much about this projector, that I can play my games on a bigger screen now and also watch all my YouTube content and everything. And guys, right now picture projection or the display size of this projector is 120 inches, and you can see the clarity of the picture. It's really clear. So you can use this projector in a 120 inches of display size and you'll get a very good picture quality. So guys, I hope you like the projector and its feature. I know that the feature you like the most about this projector is the Miracast feature. So as I told you, the link is in the description below. You can go and buy it right now from Amazon.in with the 1-day delivery facility. So guys, I hope you like the projector, and if you like the projector, please like the video, comment down below and tell us which feature you like the most about this projector. Share this video with your friends and family so that they can also see this amazing projector. And guys, please show some support by subscribing the channel. So guys, this is Prince signing out. Peace.